symbols here over. We can just select whatever the symbol we need. For instance, we'll select some protection circuits, which I have already, this check breaker. There is a feature called auto connection, which I have enabled. Once you place the component, so the connection will be created automatically. So there is another feature I have enabled, wire rubber band. So when I drag the component, the wire will not get broken. The next thing, we can connect a motor. So connection has been made automatically. Now contactors. Okay. So here we have a database, list of database where we can give the details. So here we can provide the description as this is going to be a motor protection. So I'm giving motor protection device and the type as GV2 L07. This is a part number. It's a Schneider make. GV2. Okay, so this component L07. Schneider's. This is a part number. It's a Schneider make. This single line is not connected yet. So we can use the option called single wire. And select and drag. That's it. So this circuit is complete now. So for this we can give terminals X1. The same way, we can make some cables also using the cable option. We have a lot of cables where you can see shielded cable, non-shielded, twisted, vertical shielded, and other things. So we'll take a shielded cable. We can start connecting. It is very easy. So the cable has been created. We can give the number for this. So the cable is completed. So it's very similar. You can easily copy and paste also. It's very similar to select all, copy paste, Control C, Control V. So you can create a new circuit instantaneously. So you need to change the names for some components. Then we will be having two similar circuits. So for another option, we can just go place another contactor and give the name as K3. So here we have one option, orthogonal wiring. For this, you can connect all three wires together at ease of time. So within no time, we have completed the circuit. So then we can just select the converter. This is going to be a control circuit. So this connection has been placed. The same way, you can select a single wire. And once you double click at the end, you will find a reference. So which can be communicated to the next pages or anything. So we'll give 0 volt. The same way for the positive also. This is a low voltage side. 24 VDC. So now this has been created. So this complete project can be easily selected and made as a template. So just copy, select all, and then you can drag and drop to any symbol folder. I have created a folder XYZ already. In that also I have created a new folder. And just dragging and dropping here. So if I give the name for this, so see, ASDF has been created here. You can create new page. Now I can select this ASDF and I can place it directly. So this is one very good option to complete the circuit very easily. So now once we have done with the power circuit, now we can go for the control circuit. So the same way I have shown you how we can save the circuit. I have made a circuit prior, I'm just taking it, the control circuit. 24 and 0 are common, done. So now I can see the reference here, reference number marking. So this 1.9 is referring to the page number 1 and 9 column. So once you double click on this, it will directly point you to where it is already connected. This is page navigation or page referencing option. So it's very simple. You can easily find out where it is located. And then in this method, through this method, you can't make any mistakes. Very easy to do that projects. We can give the names for this one also. For this also, we can provide the name, part number 7041. So done. By this way, we have completed everything. The control circuit is also completed. And we can see the reference also. We have used some contactors over here. For this, we have the relay control here. Once you are double clicking, it will point out to where it is connected. So it is connected to this part. So it is just coming out. So the same way, all the references can be seen and shown. So here, to number the wires, we have options, generate on numbers and renumber all. We can find the numbers, RYD, and what are all the details connected. Everything can be seen here. So making a library is also very easy. New component, you can just a box and take wires. So now you can just select everything and make it as a block. So this is now a component. So it's very easy and you can give the names also for this. Now we can go and generate the BOMs. Click on BOM. So this BOM has been created. So BOM is nothing but a bill of materials. You can see the components which are all added and with the manufacturer details, description of the product, and what are all the details which you have given, and the quantity is also displayed over here. So it's very simple to create a bill of materials, the same way cable plan also. Right click, generate, double click on the place, so you can see the cables. What are all the cables? What are all the distance? So we have given the part number, so we are seeing the cable over here. So far, any questions?
Yes, sir.
सर नहीं सर ये लिंक अपने वाले ग्रुप में शेयर कर सैंडविच से कर लेना काम
So now, as we have new page, mention the name 2D. So now we can just go to cabinets menu and take a panel, draw it according to our specification. So while drawing, if you want to give any specific number, you can hit space bar and you can enter the details. So now we can give the details over here in x-axis. What is the distance? These are all in mm only. So we are okay with the same and we are clicking OK. So this can be the front layout. The same way side view with the depth we can give it 200 and a mounting plate for this to mount the components. So the same way, if you want to create a bottom tunnel also, you can create it. So this is the front view, side view, and mounting plate and bottom view. So in mounting plate, you can create, assemble the components. I'm changing the grid to 1 for easy mounting of the products. Here you can just check for the cables. We can give the width as 30. So now we got the distance, everything. If you want to change as per the design, exact design, you can just select set points. Now you can draw and insert. This is the easy method to insert. If you want to turn the component, you can rotate also. Now the size is not sufficient, we can drag. So same way, copy and paste also is there. So now as we place the cable channel, we can enter the rails. Set point. So we are inserting 3 rails over here. And then we can insert the components directly. We can go to functions. Here we'll be having the list in the because we can have the component details over here. So these are all the components which we have used in the circuit. We can just take it and give load. It can be loaded. So the same way we can do it continuously for multiple options also. So now I'm selecting 3 and hitting load. I can place it. So you can see the 3 components has been placed automatically. So this is how you can do the cabinets. I'll show you an example, a better example. So this is how we can make the components arranged here. So with this has been completed, we can just go for 3D also. I have made already. So double clicking. So it will take some time to load. Any doubts in so far again? Any clarifications required on this?
Hello. So the software which we are discussing is C electrical, and C electrical are used for educational purpose also in so many places like German and France. So usually what we do with the software is we create new projects. Just for example, and we will be having different templates according to different types of panels or different types of project. And here we select an example template. Okay. So like Karthikeyan's demo, we are able to create the circuits, and the creation of circuits are used along with the IEC standards. For example, whenever we double click any symbol, we can provide some details of function and details of location where it is present, etc. So in this way, the software can help the students to understand the standards that are coming from Europe and IEC and IEEE. And also there is a database which is available in the software. So in database, what we do is we usually try to add all the manufacturers' part numbers here. So what you can find on my screen is a list of all manufacturer.